Hey everybody, we have a big update for you regarding NIO stock in this video. It's important you watch the whole video so you don't miss any information or updates that may help your decision when it comes to investing in the stock. Before we get started, if you're new to the channel, I am to help educate anyone and everyone about the stock market and give out those golden eggs that I struggled to find myself when I first started out. The stock market is an ever-changing landscape and new opportunities present themselves every day. To ensure you're never late to the party again, hit that subscribe button. This way you don't miss any opportunities to 10x your stock portfolio. I'd like to preface this analysis by saying I'm not a financial advisor, I'm just a hobbyist with a passion for trading and years of experience under my belt. Anything discussed today should not be considered as professional advice. Alright, let's get straight into it. NIO stock is every investor's dream right now. If you've been living under a rock lately and haven't heard of NIO, it's easily one of the most profitable stocks of the year so far. In case you don't know who NIO is or what it does, it's a Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, currently sells exclusively to the Chinese market. Notice I said currently, they do in fact have plans to distribute worldwide as early as 2021. The value of NIO shares has increased tenfold since the March of 2020, so let's take a look at why the electric car company has hit an all-time high and why it's expected to soar even higher. NIO shares have rallied by 1000% since March this year, from just $2.37 at its lowest to $27.63 today, just $1 short of its record high. NIO listed American Depository shares on the New York Stock Exchange on the 12th of September 2018 at $6.36. NIO is then valued at $6.4 billion upon listing, but gained momentum since late May and has pushed the car maker's market cap over $36 billion. Despite burning through money pre-release, once the company released their first car, the ES6, a 5-seater electric SUV, it gained a lot of traction. NIO doubled down on this and immediately released the second, the ES8, and got down to design a third car, the EC6, a 5-seater coupe, which was released in July this year and is now delivering over 12,000 cars each quarter, compared to just 100 before it listed. And although it's in the red, the company has moved closer toward profitability and generated its first positive cash flow. Along with this, NIO's delivering capacity is also increasing. It delivered 12,206 cars in Q3 of 2020, building on its record sale reported the previous quarter. That comfortably beat the company's quarterly target to sell between 11,000 to 11,500 cars. NIO has sold over 26,000 cars in the first 9 months of this year, more than double what was sold in the same period last year. It's been driven by increased sales of the new model, the ES8, and by hitting record deliveries month after month as excitement around the car company grows. The average target price has been steadily rising in recent months, from just $5.52 in July to $11 in August, and then to $16 in September. Considering the company's performance and outlook, it's likely this figure will rise further in the near future. More importantly, the most recent reviews of the stock have been positive. JP Morgan upgraded the stock to buy from hold earlier this month and raised its target price from just $14 to $40. That $40 price target is based on NIO's enterprise value at 3x predicted 2025 sales, which is a huge discount to that 5.1 times 2025 sales valuation on Tesla. Now let's take a look at electric vehicle sale volume. Just under half of all electric vehicles that have ever been sold are sold in China. The Chinese Association of Automobile Manufacturers says 3 million electric vehicles should be sold each year by 2025, more than double the 1.2 million sold in 2019. To put that in perspective, only 2.1 million electric vehicles were sold around the rest of the entire world combined last year. Sales will also be supported by the Chinese government's decision to keep its national and local subsidy schemes for electric vehicles until 2022. NIO has also recently been expanding headquarters. On October 9th, NIO China headquarters located in Hefei was opened for use. With the first batch of cooperation projects signed, the opening marks an important milestone in the development of NIO China. NIO China has started its core business including vehicle research and development, supply chain, sales and service, and NIO Power. NIO and JAC have officially started the expansion on the Hefei Advanced Manufacturing Center. With the opening of NIO China headquarters, NIO will deepen the cooperation with local partners, become a more deeply rooted in Hefei, and accelerate the development of the company. NIO will also cooperate with Hefei Charge, a subsidiary of Hefei City Construction and Investment Holding Group, to promote the development of battery swapping facilities in 2020 and 2021, and further secure Hefei's leading position in the smart electric vehicle charging and battery swapping network. Let's not forget NIO is also involved in Formula E. Despite the FIA and Formula E suspending the season due to the world events, NIO still has been putting lots of efforts in developing and improving the Formula E race car. As we know, many manufacturers who develop race cars also integrate that same technology into their road cars. This also sets NIO apart from other Chinese manufacturers down the line, as quality and performance of their cars will increase. For the last few years now, NIO has been showing off the EP9, an all-electric supercar which for some time held the title for the world's fastest electric vehicle. With rumoured release dates being as early as November 2021, you can be rest assured this will gain significant interest. So, is now the right time to buy NIO shares? Well, deliveries are on course to increase consistently, and it's made a step toward profitability and generated some cash flow early, so that's impressive. This factor alone is enough to rally a rise in share price. NIO has also established itself over the last 12 months. It's experienced the 1800% growth in share price compared to Tesla's 746% increase over the same period. Given that the stock is still cheap, it's low risk, and has been a money printer for many investors. I think it will continue on its current pathway and reach a share price of $50 by early next year, with many exciting things ahead, such as the release of the EP9, the start of the new Formula E season, new manufacturing facilities and offices, new battery swap locations. NIO looks like it's a company growing at a rapid pace with no plans on slowing down. Thank you very much. If you made it this far in the video, you're a legend and I appreciate you. If you're worried about the market collapsing or want some information on stocks that can survive a recession, I'll be making a video for those soon. I want to hear your thoughts on NIO, so please leave a comment below on whether or not you think it's a buy, sell or hold. If you'd like to see how NIO stacks up against Workhorse, I compared the two in this video right here. Thanks for watching, see you next time.